Are you thinking about going induction? Thermador is one of the top tier luxury brands with so much to offer, and with 3 different options to choose from. So stick around to the end to find out which one takes the top spot. The first of our 3 cooktops is the Heritage Induction. They are the most traditional induction layout, and they look very similar to those sleek black ceramic glass cooktops out there. But with this Thermador cooktop, I want you to think defined cooking zones. These are great cooktops if you're transitioning from gas to induction and want that same structure. There are 2 sizes to choose from, a 30 or 36 inch width, and right here you can see the 36 inch width with 5 pre-positioned burners with various sizes, a great blend of small, medium, and large burners. Here's an example of a 30 inch Heritage that comes equipped with 4 burners. You still get the large burner for pots and pans and the small ones for your other cookware, with still plenty of space in between. It comes equipped with 17 power levels that's going to deliver precise cooking control through a bright, easy to clean touch control panel, and it has a triple zone element too. Heritage cooktops feature 3 differently sized zones set in one location to adapt to the size of your cookware. 1 burner, 3 sizes that adapts to both small, medium, and large. And of course, you'll have access to features such as Power Boost and Pan Boost, allowing for that extra amount of power when you need it most. So whether you're boiling water, sauteing veggies, or searing a steak. Next, we have our Liberty cooktops, and right off the bat, you'll notice some aesthetic changes. But there are many other changes too, like the size and shape of the oval inductors, the ability to fit various sizing cookware, and a new control panel as well. They are available in 30 inches, pictured here, or 36 inch widths, both in the titanium gray finish. You'll get either 4 or 5 heating elements with either 2 or 3 zones that are flexible for larger cookware depending on the size you get. One of the best upgraded features here would be the Move mode. This is a smart feature that automatically transfers your current power level and timer settings to a new cooking zone when you move the pot or pan. This means if you're multitasking across multiple burners, simply relocating a pot moves its settings with it. No need to reset anything manually. Another practical and standout feature would be the Liberty CookSmart. When enabled, the cooktop automatically heats to one of 5 preset frying temperature levels and then holds that temperature consistently, preventing overheating and reducing energy use. You'll get an alert when the pan reaches that desired temperature, so there's no more guesswork of burning or overcooking. This simplifies the cooking process entirely. Lastly, for those who are still with me, we have Thermador's top of the line Freedom Induction Cooktops. So you may be asking, what makes this cooktop the top of the line? The entire surface is one large cooking area, and the cooktop automatically detects your cookware no matter where you place it. This is a game changer for serious cooks or entertainers and those who love to cook multiple dishes with pots and pans all at the same time. The Freedom Induction Cooktop features an enhanced, vibrant display that differs from the Heritage or the Liberty. It has a 6.5 inch panel providing that fast access to each one of your cooking modes. It's precision right at your fingertips. There's also the Teppanyaki Pro that allows you to divide the pan into a heated and non-heated area, so you can quickly move ingredients on and off the heat. Let's say you're searing scallops on one side of the teppanyaki pan, and then once they're perfectly golden, you just slide them down to the non-heated side to rest while you can saute some vegetables. It keeps things hot only where you want them. And one of the sleekest features is the built-in lighting that actually follows your cookware across the surface. It's not just for looks, it gives you a subtle visual cue so you always know which zones are active and where your pan is heating. For example, if you're using the Freedom Cooktop and you slide your pan from the front corner to the back, the lighting will move with it, highlighting exactly where the heat is. To sum it up, the Heritage is a structured classic, the Liberty gives you semi-flexible zones, and the Freedom is the full-on induction playground. Your choice really comes down to how you cook and how much freedom do you really want. If you want to see these cooktops in action or find out which one best fits your kitchen, comment below, as we do carry live appliances in our showroom. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert appliance content.